We got a lot of Westinghouse elevators here. This is at the Miller and Paine building. This is now the Nelnet building. I wonder if there's a freight car here. Whoa. This is an interesting building. Really makes you wonder if there's freight cars. Westinghouse. There sits another car and the one next to it as well. Look at that entryway, that's interesting. That's where the old panel used to be, the old indicator. You definitely tell this used to be a department store. Basement. I really wonder. Is it document services? Interesting.